Folks, what's up? What you doing? We're at church. A joke. We're on the delivery trail, guys. We're on Red Hills Road. St. Richard's Primary to be exact. We come here to do a delivery. And the place is so quiet. It's a Friday. The place is so quiet because there's no school. But guess what? The executives are still in the offices doing their work. And because we don't want to bother them to be up and down, going for packages that they ship from overseas, we deliver the packages. Yeah, that is what we do. We allow you to conveniently go about your day, and we take the inconvenience to come and deliver your package to you at work or at home. And the camera lady have forced me under this arch because she thinks say, may I get married. I'm going under the arch. So, yes, I'm married. I'm married to delivering your package to you, right? You are going to be able. Why you do your face the camera, lady?
Why?
If you're married to it, you're going to be able to purchase the items overseas, and then we're going to ship them to Jamaica for you and deliver them to you. Alright, so don't worry yourself, alright? Catch you guys later. Click on the link and join us today. We must walk through it.